Hello all, namaste. In today's video we are going to discuss about the importance of the digital signature and importance of the asymmetric crypto system, how it will be working efficiently for more secured transactions. Right? So in the previous video we have discussed about the digital signature, its functioning, that is like creation of digital signature, verification of digital signature, what are the functions of private key and public key. Please make sure that you watch those videos also. I will be leaving the links in the description box. Right? So in the coming to the present topic, there are three main points which we have to discuss. That is, first is authenticity, non-repudiation, and then integrity. So in case of any kind of transaction, you need to make sure that you need to authenticate that it's you. Then how it will be satisfied in case of digital signature, that we will see now. Right? So coming to the first point you have to remember is the private key and the public key are mathematically related, mathematically associated, they are corresponding to each other. Right. So when he is signing the document, when he is creating the digital signature, when he is encrypting the document, he will be sending to the when the sender, once he creates the digital signature by encrypting the document, he will be sending to the receiver. That means the receiver will verifying the digital signature with the help of the public key of X. Because at the time of obtaining the digital signature, he will be given with two keys, that is private key and public key. Both of them are mathematically connected. The document which has been encrypted by the private key can only be decrypted by the correspondent public key. That itself means that it is X who had sent it. That means the document which has been encrypted with the help of the private key of X cannot be decrypted by any other public key of like yours or mine. That can only be decrypted by the public key of again X. That means the authenticity will be satisfied as because it is X who had sent it is proved. Right? And then coming to the second is non-repudiation. Say for example, X is there, he asked Y to send 10,000 rupees to Z. Right? And the same thing has been specified in a document on which X had created the digital signature. So he encrypted the document and sent to Y. Now Y decrypted the document with the help of public key of X. And he accordingly made the payment to Z, that value of 10,000 rupees. Right? And later on Y asked the X to give the amount back. And if the X denies that, no, I did not tell you. I did not tell you to make the payment, so I will not be liable. Can he say? He cannot say. Then how can Y prove that? That is he who sent it. As because Y is able to open the document, decrypt the document with the public key of X, that means X is stopped from saying that I am not the person who sent it. He cannot deny that later. That means he is stopped from repudiating. So non-repudiation feature will be satisfied here. Right? And then coming to the last is integrity. How the integrity of the document is maintained. How can you know that yes, integrity of the document is maintained? For that matter, what is meant by integrity first? Integrity is nothing but whatever I am sharing through a message should be the same which you receive. That there should not be any kind of inclusions or deletions from the message in between. Nobody should crack in between. If that is done, that means the document's integrity is affected. So how come the digital signature makes sure that integrity will be maintained? How come the digital signature will show that if integrity is affected? Right? For that matter, we have to go a little bit back end process. I am not here to make you learn about any software, but I am just showing how it works. That's it. How it works only till the extent of our legality. Right? See, when the time of encryption, at the time of applying the private key, a hash algorithm will be applied upon the document through which a hash result will be generated. That will be called as hash result or message digest. It's a kind of code which is generated. Afterwards, once it is being sent, at the time of decryption also, again hash algorithm will be applied. Hash algorithm is nothing but it's a kind of application which will be done by the system, not by the person. Clear? So hash algorithm will be applied and again a hash result or a message digest will be generated. Now two message digests are there. One at the time of encryption, that is message digest 1 at the time of encryption, message digest 2 at the time of decryption. Now if the integrity is maintained, if nobody had cracked in between, then these both will come same and identical. Then it itself means that integrity is maintained. If any inclusions or deletions have been made from the document, any kind, that can be any kind, no need that a long sentence has to be deleted or a long sentence has to be included. Even a dot, even a comma, even a letter, even a word, anything, if they have been included or anything have been deleted, then these codes will not match. Immediately the code will be different. And if they both are different, if the, say for example, any kind of inclusion has been made in the message digest 1 shows as XYZ and message digest 2 shows as ABC, that means they are not same. Immediately that error will be shown, right? That will show as error. From that one can understand that integrity has been affected. This is the magic of digital signature, wherein these three things can be very visibly proved. Clear? Right? So with this, your answer of technical aspects of digital signature gets completed. So what all we have discussed till now in the 3 videos. First thing is what is meant by digital signature, why it is important, what is the object behind it. First one. Second is what is meant by cryptography. There are 2 types of cryptography, that is symmetric, asymmetric, right? And the third thing is in the digital signature they have been specified to use only asymmetric crypto system. So as a part of that, 4th point we have discussed what are all the keys that will be there, how they function, that is creation of digital signature, verification of digital signature. And lastly, we have discussed these 3 points in the present video, that is authenticity, non-repudiation and integrity. So when you have been asked with the question of technical aspects of digital signature, then you have to write everything in your answer, right? Hope this video is helpful for you. Please leave in the comment section if you're having any doubts. I am there to clarify, right? So please make sure that you watch the video without skipping it, right? And make sure that you share to your friends or people who are interested in learning about digital signature also, right? In the next video, we will be discussing about the legal aspects of digital signature, right? So thank you. Namaste.